Hello students, welcome to my channel DIY NCERT. So in this video, we will be continuing chapter 7 getting to know plants of class 7th science NCERT. And now in this video, we will be covering the part leaf, leaf structure and function of leaves. So let us get into the video. So now leaf, we all have seen the leaves, isn't it? So yes. So leaf is the green flat structure of plant, isn't it? You can see these leaves also. These are the flat and also green in color, right? We can see other colors also, but we take green color as a common color for the leaves. So these are the flat structure of plant, the leaves. Okay. Now let's cover the structure of the leaves. So we can see lines, right? We can see lines on the leaves. That lines on the leaves are called veins. And prominent line is, there is a one prominent line we can see here also. This is, a prominent line we can see in every leaf. This is called the midrib. As also we can remember it by this name, that is middle, in the middle. This is the midrib. The part of the leaf by which it is attached to that stem is called petiole. Now, can you see here? This is the stem and this is the leaf is attached to the stem. And that part is called petiole. Okay, let's just here. Can you see here? These are also the part. They are also attached to these. This is the stem. So this is called the petiole. Now the broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. Can you see this? A broad green part. Now can you see here? This whole broad part is known as the leaf. Now okay, let me just draw for you here. Suppose this is a leaf, right? And here this is a green color, this is of green color, and this is called the lamina, green flat structure, right? And the design of veins on the leaf is called leaf venation. As also you have seen some designs like this, isn't it? Something like that. So yeah, these are called leaf venations. Okay, these are called leaf venation. That is the design on the leaves. Yeah. Okay, there is an activity for you. We'll mark what the parts are called, like the first, second, fourth. Yeah, first part is called petiole, isn't it? Because it attached leaf to the stem. Am I right or not? Yes. You can all do in your notebook. This is the petiole. Yes. Now the second part. Second part is you can see this. The middle part is going on. Yeah. So this is the midrib. This is the midrib. Yes. Yes. Now the third part. What about the third part? This is the green structure. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah, this is the green structure. So we can say this green structure, the whole green structure is, yeah, that is lamina. Right? That is lamina. Yes. Let me make the A. Yes. Now the fourth part. You can see the small lines on the lamina. That is called veins. Yeah, that is called veins. Yes, so we have just done with the structure, the parts of the leaves, the petiole, midrib, lamina, veins, isn't it? Let us come on the next slide, that is all about the questions, what you have understood till now. Yeah. So question is choose odd one out. So veins, midrib, lamina, stem. I think this is about the parts of the leaf. Yes, I can see the veins on the leaf. Yes, I can see the midrib. Lamina is also there. But stem is not the part of the leaf, right? Stem is the part of the plant. Yeah, very good, everyone. So now the true false. The prominent part of the leaf is called midrib. This is the prominent part, right? This is the prominent part of the leaf. It is called midrib or not? Yes, that means this is true. This is called midrib. This statement is correct, truth. Now, all the leaves around us are of same size and same shape. This is not true because I can see different kind of shape. Like you can see this is a different kind of shape of. Am I right? Or you have also seen we have seen this kind of leaves. So we have seen different kinds of leaves and different in size and shapes. So this is false. No, this is false. This is false statement. Okay, now. Oh my God, how beautiful leaves are there. Can you see these beautiful leaves of different shapes and different sizes and also different pattern, isn't it? You can see, yeah, this is like the pattern of this leaf is like this, and we can see lot of veins are there, and this is also different, and this is having only 3. Oh, and this is like a parallel kind of. Am I right or not? And now, I can observe that the leaves are having different kinds of pattern. Am I right or not? Leaves having different kind of patterns. Let's do an activity. So, what we'll do is we'll try to find out leaves which is having similar kind of leaf veins pattern on the leaves. Okay, and we have called this leaf venation. Am I right or not? Yes. So, yeah, this pattern is going upright direction, and also in this leaf I can see pattern is going on the upside, and also in this leaf I can see pattern is the same. So, okay, I'll mark the red color here on this leaf and this. So these 3 leaves are having similar kind of pattern. Okay, now I'll take another color. Let me take blue color, and I can see this leaf is having like only single lines are there, and these all are parallel, and also I can see on this leaf. So that means this and this one are the similar kind of leaves. Okay, so we are going to discuss leaf venation. As we can see, leaves having patterns on their lamina. Am I right? So we have 2 types of leaves. The first one is design net-like on the both sides of the venation is reticulate. An example we can see rose, papaya, mango, guava, right? Yes. You can see this beautiful pattern. Am I right? And also on this leaf. So the leaves having net-like. This is kind of net-like structure, right? So these leaves are called having the reticulate venation. And those leaves having the parallel to one another lines. So these are called the parallel venation, and we can see in the example of wheat leaves and the grasses. I hope you will enjoy this, and you will go and see how the leaves having pattern after watching this video, and comment below. Now this is all about the pattern of the leaves, right, and the reticulate and the parallel. But let's find out one interesting fact. Have you understood, have you know about the the root, that the two types of root, that is tap root and the fibrous root, we have done in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, you can go and watch about the roots now. So you can see the tap root and the fibrous root. Tap root is having the single line and single main root, and fibrous is not having any single main root. So we can see that tap root is having a reticulate venation kind of leaves, isn't it? They having reticulate, the pattern is like a reticulate, the net-like structure. And in the fibrous root, we can see they are like elongated kind of, and the parallel venation is there. So we can say that you can identify only by seeing the leaves of the plant that what kind of root is having of that plant. It is having the tap root or the fibrous root. You just have to leaf. You just have to go with the leaves. You just have to find out the leaves pattern, and you will get to know it is tap root or the fibrous root. Isn't it interesting? Yes, nature is very interesting. So now, can you give example of each reticulate and the parallel venation? Yes, we have just studied the reticulate venation is having the rose, papaya, mango, guava, and the parallel venation is like beet, grass, right? Now you will raise your hand at your place if this statement is correct. Net-like venation is parallel venation. Is it true or false? No, net-like venation is reticulate venation. Net-like and the parallel venation is this like. Yes, so this is wrong. Very good. Leaf venation is the design of the leaf. Yes, leaf venation is a design of leaf. This is correct statement. Now, hibiscus is an example of reticulate venation. Yes, hibiscus is an example of reticulate venation. And if you want to find out is it true or false, you can go and find the hibiscus plant, that is called in Hindi gudhel ka जो पेड़ होता है ना, गुड़हल का, that is what hibiscus का plant. So you will go and find out by searching the leaves, is it having the reticulate venation or not. Very good, everyone. Now come on the next topic. Now can you think what these pictures are predicting to you? What you can interpret from this? Yes, they are sweating, isn't it? See? Oh my god, lots of sweat. Oh my god, he's also having the very much sweating. Maybe they must be playing. And now what about the leaves? The human sweat, but what about these leaves? Do they also sweat? Why the water is on their leaves? Why the water droplets we can see on the leaves? Any guesses? Yes, plants also do. Plants also sweat like the humans, and that process is called transpiration. Let's just find out. The water comes out, leaves in the form of water vapor by the process called transpiration. You can see these water droplets, and this is the process of transpiration. Plants release lot of water into the air because through this transpiration process. And transpiration occurs because plants take more water than they should. So what they actually do, they just want to get rid of the excess water, and they do by the removing from the leaves. It is the way that plants keep themselves cool. Am I right or not? Yes, you can see the sunlight is giving a lot of heat, and they are just removing their lot of water from the leaves. The plants do that to keep themselves cool. Now, what do you think transpiration is? We have just done. The transpiration is a part or what? It is a part of leaf or the function of leaf? It is the very important function of the leaf. Transpiration is the function of leaf. It is not a part of the leaf, right? So yes, we have done with the leaf parts and the function of leaves, and also we have just come to know leaf venation, right? So yes, I hope you all like this video, and if you like and understood the concept of leaves, so do like, comment, share this video, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, tada, bye bye. Thank you everyone.